Welcome to this informational video about honey and its many uses. Honey is a sweet liquid made by honeybees. It is made by the bees collecting nectar from flowers, then using enzymes in their stomachs to break down the complex sugars. The bees then store the honey in honeycomb cells and fan it with their wings to evaporate some of the water. This thickened liquid is honey. Honey is a popular sweetener and food ingredient. It is often used in baking, teas, and other foods. It can also be used as a topping on cereals, toast, and oatmeal. As a natural sweetener, honey is a healthier alternative to processed sugar. Honey has been used as a medicinal remedy since ancient times. It has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it useful for treating wounds and skin conditions like eczema. It also has antioxidant properties, which may help reduce the risk of certain cancers and heart disease. Honey can also be used as a beauty product. It has moisturizing and antimicrobial properties, making it a great all-natural cleanser. It can be used as a face mask or mixed with other ingredients like yogurt and lemon juice to make a natural exfoliant. Honey can also be used as a hair conditioner to help restore shine and nourish the scalp. Finally, honey can be used in many other ways. For example, it can be used in cooking, barbecue sauces, and even in cocktails. It can be used as a natural energy booster, or as an additive in DIY cleaning products to help reduce bacteria. So, as you can see, honey is a versatile and beneficial product with many uses. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of honey and its many uses. Thanks for watching.